When was the last time you had most delicious and flaky sausage rolls? Worry no more, as I am here to take you through step by step procedure on how I made the most flakiest sausage rolls ever. If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video, okay? In a bowl, I will go in with my flour. I will then add baking powder, and next I am going to add salted margarine or butter. And if your butter or margarine is not salted, then you need to add a pinch of salt to it, okay? So I'm going to give it a very good mix so I get a crumbly texture like this, or till I get something like this. I will go in with cold water. I will be adding the water bit by bit because I don't want my dough to be too watery or too soft. So I'm going to give it a good mix till I get a crumbly texture, as you can see on your screens. So I will then add a little bit of the water again. As I told you earlier, I don't want to add it at once. So I added it and I am going to give it a mix till I form a dough. So once your dough is something like this, then you know you have a flaky pie at the end. And one thing about this dough is that you can actually use the same dough to make your meat pies as well. So I am going to divide this into three or two, and then I am going to keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Whilst waiting for the dough to be ready, let's prep our filling. In a bowl, I have sausage and I am going to add pepper, and then I will add aromat, ginger and garlic powder, and then chicken seasoning. So I will add it, give it a good mix till it is well mixed, and then I am going to transfer it into a piping bag for it to be easier to dispense. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a nylon, or you can just put it directly on the dough and you are good to go. Putting it in the piping bag or nylon makes it easier when you are dispensing it onto the dough. So this is it, all set and good to go. So I am going to put it down and then continue with the next process. Flour your working surface and then bring out one of the doughs in the fridge. Put it on the surface and then sprinkle small flour on it for it to be easier for you to roll it. So I am going to use a rolling pin to roll it till it is flat. If you're still here with me and you haven't subscribed, please do so now before you forget, okay? And please like this video for me, share this video so it can reach wider audience, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So after rolling, I am going to cut this into a square shape, and you can cut it any shape you prefer, okay? After getting your perfect shape, bring out your filling and then add it onto the sheet nicely like this. And then we are going to roll this till we are halfway done, and then we will use egg wash to brush it, and this will serve as binding agent for the pie, for it not to scatter when we are about to bake or when we are baking it in the oven, okay? So make sure you use egg wash or water to bind your pie or sausage rolls or any rolls at all. So after doing this, we are going to continue with the rolling, and here roll it firmly so that it will bind gently and nicely, okay? So after that, we are going to divide this into two, or you can just cut it into any size of choice. And here we have the most flakiest sausage rolls ever. So after everything, I will dust my pan, or you can use a baking paper also on your pan or tray, and then arrange everything nicely like this. And can you see this small sausage rolls? They are for my mini madam. Okay, so I am going to put it down, and then I am going to give this rolls some incisions on it. And next, I am going to brush this with egg wash once again to give it that beautiful golden brown color and glossy shine. But if you don't want this, you can just skip this part, okay? So after doing this, I am going to bake this for 30 minutes or more. And whilst I was doing this, my oven was on already. So my oven was hot before I took this inside, okay? And please like this video and share for me, okay? And just like that, our sausage rolls is ready. So guys, just don't watch this video. Try this recipe and you'll love it. And don't forget to let me know how your own tasted in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because it is free. See you in the next video. Bye bye.